So, you want to learn how to trade? Well, you have come to the right place. Beginning to trade can seem overwhelming at first, especially when you hear about professional traders making lots of money in the markets. But they all had to start somewhere, just like you. You'll need to start with the right tools and resources. In this video, we are going to introduce you to different types of asset classes and some key next steps to starting as a beginner trader, including having the proper education, creating a trading plan, and learning how to manage risk. When starting out, it is important to understand the differences between the assets available for you to trade. Some of the most popular assets include stocks, options, forex, and futures. Each asset class has its own unique characteristics and requires a different level of knowledge and skill to trade successfully. Let's go over these 4 asset types before diving into our trading plan steps. The first asset class is stock trading. This involves buying and selling shares of individual companies listed on a stock exchange. Stock trading can be a great option for beginners because it is relatively straightforward, and there exists a lot of easily accessible information about individual companies. However, it is important to understand that the stock market can be volatile, and you could lose money if the value of the stock you own declines. The next asset we will discuss is options trading. Options trading consists of buying and selling contracts that give you the right, but not the obligation, to buy or sell a security at a specific price in the future. Options trading can be more complex than stock trading, and it is important to understand the mechanics of options before jumping right in. With that being said, this method of trading can still be a good way for beginners to get started because options can be used to hedge against losses in other investments. Next, we have forex trading. This involves buying and selling currencies on the foreign exchange market. Forex trading can be a good option for beginners because there are many online resources available to help you learn about the market and how it works. However, it is important to understand that forex trading involves a high level of risk and can be volatile, so it is not suitable for everyone. Lastly, we have futures trading. Futures trading can be a good option for beginners in the financial markets because it allows for a level of flexibility and customization that other types of trading may not offer. For example, with futures, traders can choose the type of asset they want to trade, such as commodities, currencies, indexes, the expiration date of the contract, and the size of their position. Additionally, the use of leverage in futures trading allows traders to potentially increase their profits, although it also increases the risk of loss. Now that you have some insight on the different types of asset classes, let's discuss some key next steps you can take that will guide you along your journey to becoming a successful trader. The first step you need to take is to educate yourself. You need to learn as much as you can about the financial markets, which includes understanding key concepts such as supply and demand, risk management, and technical analysis. At Trade with the Pros, we strive to provide the best educational resources for our students. This is why we have developed courses focusing on the different types of assets you can trade: forex, futures, options, and stocks. The next step is to choose an educator or education program. There are many different trading programs out there, so it is important that you do your research and choose a reputable organization. This is one of the very reasons why we founded Trade with the Pros, to help people like you get started on their trading journey with experts you can trust. We offer many educational trading courses aimed at providing you with the proper tools and resources you need to succeed. When selecting a program with us, our experts will walk you through everything we offer and help you find what best aligns with your trading goals. Your third step will be deciding on a strategy and a plan. Before you start trading, it is necessary to have a plan in place, which we can help you create. A trading plan is a set of rules and guidelines that you will follow when making trades. This also includes deciding on the types of assets you want to trade, the amount of risk you are willing to take on, and the time frame in which you plan to hold your positions. There are many different trading strategies to choose from, so it is important to find one that fits your personality and financial goals. Having a trading plan in place will help you stay disciplined and make objective decisions rather than letting emotions guide your trading decisions. In addition to having a trading plan, it is also crucial to have a strong understanding of the markets and the assets you're trading. This means staying up to date on news and events that may impact the markets, as well as doing your own research on the companies or currencies you're interested in trading. Next, use risk management techniques. One of the keys to successful trading is managing risk. This includes setting stop-loss orders to limit potential losses and diversifying your portfolio to reduce overall risk. It is also important to have a clear understanding of your risk tolerance and to only take on trades that fall within your risk parameters. Risk management is crucial when beginning to trade and throughout your trading career. Last but not least, keep learning. Trading is an ongoing process, and it is critical to continue learning and staying up to date with market developments. This can help you adapt to changing market conditions and make more informed trading decisions. At Trade with the Pros, we are here to help guide you along the education process and ensure that you have all the resources you need to learn, grow, and succeed as a new trader. That might sound like a lot, but with the right teachers, learning to trade can be a rewarding experience. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for continued learning and check out our website linked below to learn more or sign up for an event.